Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products. This one is the countertop fryers. So let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For these units, they are about like a 15 inches wide and the 29 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 31.5 inches tall. As you can see, we're having a 2 basket units right here. And when you open the front door, when we open the door, you will see we have a controllers right here. They can adjust the temperatures. When you hear the click sound turns on from the 93 degrees to the 250 Celsius degrees. And this one is for the water, for the oil switch pipes. You can just open it to exchange the oils. When you're also looking for this side, you will see we have a ETL sanitation sticker sign, and for the lighter, the manual books on top right here, and this diagram for the units. And also when we look inside, the units have 3 burners, and also having the 2 baskets right here. We're having mount units at the front. This one you can just pull it out to clean it when it's dirty. And let's see the basket size. This basket about like a 5 inches wide and 13 inches long, about 6 inches deep. You can remove the basket from the hinge. For this boiling place, they will be about like a 14 inches wide and 13.5 inches long. They give you a notice information, max and oil levels and minimal oil levels. So the entirely has for the oils, they are about like a 4.5 inches. For the units, this is the overall informations, and they also coming with the exhaust at the back for the heat from the ventilation who goes out. And the informations, everything we in the videos, if you didn't know the details, you can contact with us for the more questions and we can help you out. Thank you for watching these videos.